Hello everyone.
It's nice to meet you again.
여러분 반갑습니다. Oh, teacher,
Yeah.
where are we? In the background.
Oh, this is a temple?
Temple?
Yes. Yeah,
It's a
in the
palace.
palace. That's
Wow.
right,
We're
palace,
gonna
the
have
king palace.
Yeah, we're gonna have a new story today, right?
Yes, that's
Okay,
right.
Please tell us.
Yeah, we want to talk about the fiery furnace.
Fiery furnace.
Yeah.
여러분 오늘은요 다니엘과 세 친구의 이야기를 함께 들어볼까 해요.
Yeah, and it's in the book of Daniel 3.
Chapter 3.
Yes, chapter 3.
다니엘서 성경책에 나오는데요. 한번 listen carefully.
Yeah. Don't forget the title is Fiery Furnace.
Okay.
All right. So listen carefully. Yep. So Daniel and his three friends, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, were captured and taken to Babylon.
Oh. These four young men were smart and clever,
Wow.
and so they got to live in the palace, like here.
Wow.
The king told them to eat the king's best food.
Wow. Best food.
Yeah, best
However,
food.
Daniel and his three friends thought that doing that would be going against the will of God.
Oh.
The will of God. So they refused
No.
the food. They refused the food and ate only vegetables and drank only water.
Oh.
We can't eat the food that was offered to an idol.
idol.
Yeah.
아이들은 우상인데요. 우상에게 바쳐진 음식은 저희가 먹을 수 없어요.
We cannot.
거예요. The king's helpers were worried. If you do not eat the king's food, you will grow weak. And I will get in trouble for that.
But Daniel and his two friends grew stronger.
Oh.
And the others who ate the king's food, God had looked after them. Wow.
Look after them. Wow,
Yeah,
that's
they were
good.
getting stronger.
So one day, the king of Babylon set up an idol, and he ordered everyone to bow down in front of it. Whoever does not bow down will be thrown in the fiery furnace.
Oh, that is so shocking. Everyone bowed down to the idol in fear. They were scared. Yeah. However, Daniel and the three friends, don't forget Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, did not.
Did not. Oh.
They did not. They only bowed down to God.
Wow.
The king was angry and ordered them to be thrown into the hot furnace. Daniel's three friends bravely said to the king, "The Lord will save us."
Wow. The
Wow.
Lord will save us. That's awesome.
Bold. They're very bold.
Then something amazing happens.
Yeah.
The three friends who went into the furnace
Yeah.
did not get burned at all. And there were four men walking around. Well, there were three, but now four.
Whoa, who's that?
Wow, one of them looked like an angel
Whoa, angel.
from God.
Whoa, God's angel. My, this is awesome.
Yes.
Four men. On the contrary, they walked through the fire and came out.
It came out.
Everybody was surprised.
Wow.
The king realized his mistake and told all the people to serve God. Whoa, this is
That's
good.
amazing. The Lord will save us.
Yeah.
How strong faith.
Wow.
It was.
God
Wow.
is great.
It really touched my heart.
Whoa.
Wow.
The fourth man. Yeah, we all need the fourth man.
Amen. All right. Say bye-bye.
Okay, bye everyone. Hi everyone. Yeah, it's time to repeat after me in words. New
오케이.
words.
여러분 오늘 이제 새로운 단어 How many words?
Oh, we have five
여러분
words.
5개 단어 같이 배워보도록 하겠습니다.
Alright, don't forget we're talking about the fiery furnace.
Fiery furnace.
So number one, clever.
Clever. 여러분 clever는 영리한
Yeah.
거예요.
Daniel and the three friends
뭐?
were very
clever.
clever.
영리했어요. 똑똑했어요.
Okay, let's say clever, clever, clever.
Clever, clever, clever.
Alright, that's good. So number two, repeat after me. Food.
Food.
Yum,
I know the word. 여러분 다 아는 단어죠? 음식은 영어로 뭐라고 한다고요?
Yeah, food.
Food.
Yum, 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 yum. Alright, food, food, food.
Food.
Alright, so let's go to three. Oh, vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yeah.
여러분, vegetables, 야채. Okay, teacher, do you like vegetables?
Yeah, sure.
I don't like that.
I like it. I like broccoli.
Broccoli. I think I like carrot.
Carrot. Oh, me too. Okay, let's go to four. Idol.
여러분, 아이들은 우상이에요. 하나님께서 나 외에 다른 신을 섬기지 말라 하셨죠. 그걸 이제 우상이라고 하는데 영어로 뭐라고 한다고요?
Idol.
idol.
Never worship idol. Never. So let's go. Idol. Good job. So let's go to five. Bow.
여러분, bow는 고개를 숙이다라는 거예요.
Yeah, bow.
bow.
So let's say it one more time.
Okay.
One, clever. And two, food. Three, vegetables. And four, idol. And five, bow.
오케이. 우리
Alright.
친구들 오늘 배운 거 kinderjoy한테 녹음해서 보내주시면 선물을
Alright,
보내드리도록
you can have a
하겠습니다.
present.
Bye.